Mhm.
What I'm saying is the armor of God and the understanding of renewing your mind, keeping your salvation.
Yes.
This had to stay intact
Yes.
because even in amongst our community and family, which our natural family were born again brothers and sisters, there's different standards. Now, when we're called to be a standard bearer and to say like on our wedding invitation, it was in Romans, that we may glorify God with one voice, that we could come
I
together
love that.
and glorify God
Yes.
with one voice. That was our commitment as a couple.
Amen.
And let me tell you, the devil, and I'm not big on blaming the devil, but the devil comes to rob, to kill, and destroy. And we go through seasons in life. I would say that my challenges became even seeing my daughters grow up, being one of like 5 brothers. So here I am, boys. I had to trust Kathy on the decisions because I had a tendency to be overly protective or overly, cautious with them. And all of these things matter in a marriage. And I don't see how anybody could do it without a commitment to renewing the mind together and take up our